This video shows you how to clean the ADF roller kit of your printer. Clean the ADF roller kit regularly to prevent streaks in your scanned copies and avoid paper jams. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Open the ADF top cover. Remove the roller assembly. Apply water to a soft, lint-free cloth. Wipe the rollers. Remove the separator roller cover, and then remove the separator roller. Wipe the roller. Insert the roller assembly properly. Insert the separator roller, and then insert the separator roller cover. Close the ADF top cover. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.